Have you ever been in the position where you're just trying to get the door open but it won't? And it's cold? It's cold. Like right now, my hands are freezing. So let's take a look at how we can get this door open. It's not a permanent solution. I do recommend that you put it in a place that is secure so that you can sort of take some of that moisture out of there. But right now what we're going to do is we're going to go in and show you how to get this unfrozen. And it is very key that you do follow some steps. First of all, nothing hot. Unless your insurance company will replace your window for you. Next, fill a jug or pot with lukewarm water. No, not a kettle. Hey buddy, stop that.
What? Me?
Yeah, you. Dump that out.
Okay.
What are you, crazy? There you go.
Cold. Hot. Middle. Lukewarm, not hot. So put this away. This one, put it away. No water. Don't use this. With this halfway lukewarm, so it's not going to be cold. It's going to allow it to break down the ice, but it's not going to cause such a contrast that your window will break, because that would be horrific. So let's go back outside and try this again and see if we get a better result. Okay, so the door is unlocked, but I can't open it. So, see, that door is... So what we're going to do is we're going to go... Oh, you can hear the noises. Freezing fast. Okay, so I'm gonna go refill and try this again. Now, from inside the car, we try to see if it will open. If possible, start the car to help defrost the door quicker.
A few minutes later.
Ta-da! Now that we got this door open, I've got to go put salt down because I'm gonna have an ice skating rink around this car. Very carefully, not allowing the door to close. I'm gonna go get some WD-40. If you don't have any, you could try to use a lighter for an hour, but I don't think that would be fun. What you want to do is make sure you get all the moisture out inside the mechanism here. It won't lock while I got it open, but you want to be very careful. You want no water on the inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go dry it all out, spray it down with some WD-40. WD-40 helps dissipate water away from any surfaces. And I'm going to carry a can in the car for now. I'm going to drive it around and make sure that it doesn't hopefully refreeze.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If this video helped, please smash the like button. Right there. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so now.
Now, hopefully it doesn't freeze again on me. But I'll check in with you in a little bit to let you know how it goes.
We hope to hear about your horror stories in the comments section below. And until the next video, have a good day. See you soon.